When I say diet, I don't mean a diet. I mean what you're eating. I don't believe in specific diets. When I see patients, we work on a specific, well, you could call it a diet for them, but that doesn't mean you're trying to lose weight. It doesn't mean that you're eliminating large food groups, or that you're hungry all the time. It just means the nutrition that we've decided is the best option for you. But I don't work with diets in its traditional sense. Diet, we look at it as it's kind of the specifics of what we eat. Nutrition is just about food. So nutrition is a very extensive. It can encompass a lot of information, a lot of areas. So when I talk about nutrition, I mean the food you're eating and the nutrients you're getting from your diet. I always try to look at balance. I try to look at your diet, your lifestyle, everything in a sort of a balance. And I try not to pose inflictions. I don't want to be telling you what to do. I'm here to give you the advice that you can take away with you to make those changes yourself. So I'm not going to tell you not to do something. I'll make my recommendations, but I do believe in balance. So if there's something that really makes you happy, then of course you should have it sometimes. If it's something that's making you sick, then we'll try and find it. And if it needs to be eliminated, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be forever. It's just for a period of time while you work and make the changes and take on some of the advice. And then, for example, if we do eliminate certain foods, then we'll hopefully improve your health and hopefully then reintroduce them. But I generally believe in balance, and I don't believe that there are specific big food groups we should all remove. And I don't believe that one size fits all. So it will be different for everyone.